Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to draw a Patrick Star. Funny cartoon character which are very easy and simple to draw. First we start from your eyes, your big eyelids, and now their simple body shape which look like a star. Some mouth and their body. Look there, simple star shape which are very easy and simple to draw for beginners or for kids. So funny. Little legs and their arms. Wow, so easy to draw. So very easy techniques, step by step tutorial of drawing cartoon tutorial. Pink shaped body, slight pink shade. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting and easy drawings. Color your body. It's a very easy way to color or paint light pink color in shade. Wow, looking funny. Now please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. And watch till the end. It's a green color cloths. Shorts are green in color with the purple designing.
Game over.